Hello guys, in this video we'll look at the date data validation. Applying date data validation is pretty simple, similar to what we have done in the past. Instead of picking a whole number, decimal or list, now we would pick date, and it is very simple and straightforward, as I said. So let's say we have date of birth and we want to apply some sort of restriction here, some sort of data validation. Of course, because it's a date field, we will do date. From the drop down, select date. Now for the date, we have this data drop down. Similar to the whole number and decimal, we have pretty much similar options. You can do between, not between, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Let me select between. So now we have these two fields, start date and end date. You can directly give some start date and end date, or you can also use this and you can refer to the value of a date in some cell. We'll take a look at that here in a minute, but to keep it simple, I'll say the start date as 0101, let's say 1999, and the end date, let's say December 31st, let's say 2009, and apply. Okay. Now, first thing, the user cannot tell if there is some sort of data validation. Let's say I put some sort of incorrect value. Let's say I put A in there. Of course, it will not work. And let's say I try to put of course, it will not work because that does not fall into the date range that we provided. So the best thing is to put some sort of a reminder or a tip here for the user. So now it makes more user-friendly. So it tells me that the date range is this, so I need to put something within that particular date range. Say do 12/12/2008. Okay, 18 is not going to work. 2008, it works. So that's how you apply it. Now, as with decimal and whole number, you have a lot of options. So you can obviously go, use any of these options depending on your situation. It's pretty much straightforward. So not equal to, you put some one date there. Say less than, you define a date, so it will only accept any date that is less than this particular date. And again, if you have multiple cells, then you can use this if you're trying to change the validation here. Now, and I guess pretty much that's it. Nothing more than that is needed here regarding the date. Again, we'll visit this again when we work with this timesheet spreadsheets. Well, that's it about the date data validation, and I will see you in the next video.